I can get my apple in here. Ooh, look at that. Mini fireballs, homeboy. All right, check this out. Pop out the stem or the cork. What's this called? And I come in here. Get a little scoop out. Get a little scoop out. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The things we do with our fruits. Now open a little fireball, right? I'm not gonna turn this upside down in there because that's gonna cause a problem. Matter of fact, I can stick it in like so. Then I can flip upside down. You see what I'm saying? And then these just back up just in case I get thirsty. So we can leave those there for a second. Let me get my little fire right here. We can start with 2 cups of sugar. Is he cooking sugar? You wish, come on. I actually would expect me to do something like that, but no. Then we come behind that with a cup of water, right? And now I need a 1/2 cup of corn syrup. I hate measuring corn syrup because it sticks to everything. See, like I can't even get it open because it's stuck. Who invented corn syrup, man? Because it's a nightmare to work with. And 1/2 cup of goodness. You just roll that in. I would have just eyeballed it, but I think your measurements for this one need to be kind of specific. I can take these off, and I can give this thing here, this little sheet, a little spray. Oh Lord, so homeboy, we can turn this down now. So she stopped bubbling as much, and now I can add in some food coloring, just red. 1, oh Lord. Well, it's supposed to be 3, but look like 4. Guys, look at this, look at the bubbly bubs. Okay, now check this out. I can get my apple in here. Ooh, look at that. Get my apple in there like so. And then put it down like so, bang. That's what the oil for, you see? All that grease, get my apple in here. Nice little turn. Now you let them dry. Be gentle, sky. And just rest it right there. Oh yeah. Look who's here. Look who's here. He's your daddy. Daddy's here. Okay? You gotta support your kids, okay? This is a great father. Thank you for coming out, sir. A lot of dads wouldn't be here. They are drinking and stuff. You here supporting your kids. And there you have it. Red hot candy apples, homeboy. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the beauty, the design, okay? This thing like a Mercedes-Benz. Or maybe I pull this out. Oh Lord, look at that. Look at this goodness in there. I did not have the taste of raw fireball on my bingo card. It's good. Take a shot, take a bite. Take a shot, take a bite. Take a shot, take a bite. Eat responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Yeah, stay tipsy.